got some cool must-have accessories for the Tenere. Let's check them out. I'm sure as a Tenere owner, these are things that you would like to have for your bike. They're made from 6061 T6 aluminum. Yeah, you can see the machining marks, and yeah, these are really nice and bigger. As you know, the Tenere ones are pretty small. We'll compare here in a bit. And then I got some levers. I'm running stock handguard still. And if I drop the bike, these should help prevent the stock levers from getting broken, because I'll have these shorties on there. 2 fingers, clutch and brake. Then I also got a kickstand spring. As you know, your stock kickstand spring is really weak. And let me tell you, this sucker's burly. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to get it on yet, but we'll work that out. Last but not least, I've got a windshield. And Teneres are known for having a lot of turbulence behind the screen, a lot of noise. And this one is a little bit taller. It's not really wider, but we're going to go in depth on that. We're going to test ride. I'll do everything regarding the windshield at the end of the video. I'm also going to install these adjustable brackets. These are really nice. Machine works really nice on these. And the windshield came with some thumb screws and some plastic washers. So if you're just running the windscreen, you can do a quick swap with your stock one if you prefer that for like off-road or something. But I don't really think this guy's going to be, I think it's going to work just fine off-road. I don't think it's going to be really too tall. I think it's going to be just real nice. And another set came with the adjustable brackets for the windscreen. So you could get the windscreen, just go a little taller, or you can get the adjustable brackets also and go way taller. And all the aluminum parts are available in blue for the Tenere also. I elected to go with black. So as a disclaimer, they did give me these parts to review for you, but they're not paying me. However, there is a discount code and a link I'll put in the description. Now let's install these parts, and then we're going to test them, see how they work. Boom. Cotter pin. Pivot pin. That's a pretty big difference. Those are going to be real nice. By the way, Nicecnc offers a lowering kit also if you want to bring your foot peg height lower. Damn. Nice. Oh yeah, those are freaking, man. Oh, that's going to be nice. Heck yeah. Pretty easy. Took about 5 minutes. Okay, let's get that other foot peg on there. I thought these were cast aluminum, but they're cast steel. The CNC pegs, not only are they bigger and gnarlier, they're way lighter. Oh, heck yeah, those are decent. Oh. Now about installing that Shorty brake lever. 10 millimeter on the bottom, oh yeah. Let's switch up to a ratchet. Here's the difference between the two levers, but man, I'm looking forward to running this Shorty. I'm just kind of scared of breaking that Yamaha one because I'm still running this plastic handguards, and they're kind of just for looks. You can adjust it also, how far out from the handlebar the lever is. Nice. All right, that's decent. Okay, here we go, clutch side. Careful with your clutch safety push rod as you install. Don't break that off. We'll have to see where the engagement's at on that. Might need to adjust that out a little bit. All right. There you go, Shorty lovers. Yeah, feels okay. Okay, now I'm going to tackle this kickstand spring. And as you know, these are kind of, look, it doesn't even go all the way back up. These are super weak. So we're going to swap that out with the nice CNC. All right, let's pull this off. I'm just going to try my Harbor Freight hook scribe for that guy. The spring's pretty light. Oh, shoot, nothing to it. Look at that. That's got to go. Yeah, look at the difference in those. Man. Okay, I'm going to just try it with a hook scribe. See how we do. Oh, yeah. Boom. Roll that out of there. Oh man, that's way better. Yeah. Yeah, get you one of them. Okay, here's the stock windscreen laying over the top of the new windscreen. It's 38 millimeters taller, or 1.5 inches. And as far as width, it looks like the new windscreen is 6 millimeters, or 1/4 inch wider each side. I think it's going to work out real nice. And also, I have these adjustable brackets that I'm going to put on, so I'm going to be able to raise this thing way up. Okay, let's take off the stock windscreen. Nice parts. Okay, there it is all the way up. That dude is tall. Man, that's a lot of protection. And there it is all the way down. Snug that up. Handy little thumb screws. Okay, here the brackets are installed and the new windscreen is installed. And it does allow your windshield to be a little more forward because these are like 1/4 inch thick, or 6 millimeters. But there it is in full low, and it's 38 millimeters taller. It's going to work out real nice for me, I think, at 6'2" with the Yamaha rally seat. I think that's going to be just so. And there it is full up. It's tall, but I don't know, still looks good, I think. Let's ride it, let's check it out. Here's my point of view. I use a chin-mounted action camera, and you'll probably be able to tell the difference in noise between windshield configurations. Okay, the original windscreen at 60 miles an hour, or 100 kilometers. Okay, new taller windshield, full low. 60 miles an hour. That was actually a noticeable difference. Seems quieter and better protection. Let's raise it up. I'm going full tall. Just that easy. Okay, full tall, 60 miles an hour. Hey, I kind of like that. Yeah, it's official. I like this windshield setup. This would be great for going down the highway. Get to going off-road or you're in town, just drop it down. Boom. Snug it back up. That easy. Yeah, that's the way to go right there. And this taller windscreen is excellent. Even full low, it's a little nicer than stock. All right, let's test some of these parts out real world. Let's go for a ride. Well, I've been out riding the bike around now. Let's review these parts. Foot pegs, I love them. I thought they might be a little too grippy, but no, they're excellent. You can get your feet right off of those when you need to, and they're hooked up in the meantime. The kickstand spring, definitely another must-have. Yeah, they're like 10 bucks. Yeah, you just got to get that. The Shorty levers are excellent quality and an easy install. I'm still getting used to the Shorty levers, and I wouldn't hate it if they were 3-finger. Thanks for checking out Crusty Cycle. Please like and subscribe.